Last semester during my data science class, I got a question that changed the way I see code. My teacher, Professor K, he basically handed us a raw DNA file, 12,480 characters of genetic code. And he said one thing: you have to find every protein in there. But when you first open the TXT file, it literally just looks like a wall of random letters. So let me actually break it down. Here's how your body actually reads DNA. A, T, C, and G. Every 3 letters form a codon, and each codon maps to an amino acid, which is the building blocks of proteins. The translation starts at the codon ATG, which codes for methionine. It stops when we hit one of the 3 stop codons, TAA, TAG, or TGA. The sequence between start and stop is a protein. And the job: scan the whole DNA file, find every start codon, translate until stop, and count the actual proteins in the entire TXT file. First, we just gotta define a codon dictionary. This maps all 64 possible triplets to their amino acids or stop. Next, we open up the DNA file and strip the new lines to get one long clean string. Then we just use a common LeetCode technique, the sliding window. We find the first ATG, then read in step 3, appending amino acids until we actually hit stop. That gives the first protein, 22 amino acids. But we, of course, need every protein. So we wrap it in a loop. After each stop, we search for the next ATG and repeat. Run it, and we just get 127 proteins. And that's the output. 127 proteins pulled from raw DNA in milliseconds. But I mean, alright, that was just a bunch of coding fluff. Like, why does this actually matter? This is the exact same logic bioinformaticians use to compare healthy DNA against mutated DNA. You find the difference in the protein sequence, you find the mutation. That's how researchers identify disease markers, design targeted drugs, and even build vaccines. It's not just some homework assignment, it's an actual pipeline used in real labs. This was one of my favorite questions last semester because it made me realize that code, it's a lot more powerful than just some words on a screen. It can be used to process like basically anything.